Buying an electric suction cup lifter for glass? Here's the thing no product page tells you. Most look identical, but the real difference is in the details, like battery life, suction consistency, and how they handle real-world surfaces. I've found 5 that actually deliver, and one major flaw most buyers miss until it's too late.
Product number 1, CC-S20 Pro. The CC-S20 Pro, an 8-inch electric suction cup that immediately stands out with its 600-pound max load and 4 swappable 2400 mAh batteries. At $99.99, it's positioned as a premium tool, and honestly, if you're handling large glass panels or granite slabs regularly, this is worth a serious look. What really caught my eye was the digital pressure display that kicks the motor back on if vacuum drops below 55 ± 5, meaning you get consistent hold without constant monitoring. The auto start pump means no manual priming, just press and lift. It's built for pros who can't afford slips or downtime. Now, some people complained about the weight. 5.28 pounds isn't light, and if you're doing overhead work all day, that adds up. Here's the thing though. The extra heft comes from the reinforced frame and dual seals that prevent air leaks, so it's a trade-off for reliability. This is perfect for you if you're installing windows, handling countertops, or moving heavy glass on job sites. Skip this one if you only need occasional light-duty lifting or hate carrying bulky gear. At under $100 with 4 batteries included, it's a solid investment for serious users.
Product number 2, Prachi Dual Motor. If CC's weight bothered you, the Prachi Dual Motor Lifter offers a different balance. Lighter at 4.62 pounds, but packing 660 pounds of suction thanks to twin motors. Priced at $69.99, it's newer to the market but already gaining traction with 50+ sales last month. The 4500 mAh gives up to 12 hours of runtime, which is huge if you're working all day without access to outlets. The LCD shows both suction force and battery level in real time, so you never get caught guard. It handles smooth and lightly textured surface as well, great for modern tiles or frosted glass. One downside? The larger footprint, 10.24 inches, can be tricky on smaller glass pieces or tight spaces. Some users also noted the charging port is a bit exposed, which could be an issue on dusty job sites. Still, for the price and runtime, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need long battery life and strong suction for mid-size projects. Skip this if you're working in cramped areas or need ultra-compact gear.
Product number 3, WorkBless Budget Pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for DIYers. The WorkBless Electric Suction Cup at just $35.99. Don't let the price fool you. It delivers 440 pounds of lift and hits full suction in under 5 seconds with one-touch operation. The 3.7V 2000 mAh battery won't last all day, but it's enough for weekend projects or small installations. It's simple, green, and gets the job done on glass, tile, and marble. The real issue? No swappable batteries and minimal safety alerts. If the battery dies mid-lift, you're stuck. Also, the display is basic, so you won't know suction strength until it fails. Still, for occasional use, it's a steal. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner tackling a few glass panels or tile jobs a year. Skip this one if you need reliability for daily commercial use or can't risk sudden power loss.
Product number 4, FlavoCall 9.8-inch Heavy Duty. If you want something beefier than the WorkBless but more affordable than the CC, the FlavoCall 9.8-inch lifter at $39.99 is a sleeper hit. It holds up to 520 pounds horizontally and 350 vertically, ideal for large windows or windshields. The digital display shows suction and battery, and it auto shuts off after 15 minutes to save power. The spider texture seal really grips smooth surfaces without leaking. But here's the catch. The instructions are confusing. Some users struggled with the double top release and long press startup, leading to accidental drops. Also, at 4.73 pounds, it's not the lightest. Still, for under $40, it's a capable tool for the price. This is perfect for you if you're handling automotive glass or large panes occasionally and want digital feedback. Skip this if you need intuitive controls or are new to suction lifters.
Product number 5, ShineJack 2 PCS Set. The ShineJack 2 PCS set at $72.19 offers something unique. 2 lifters in one package. Each has 440 pounds of capacity and uses a 2000 mAh built-in battery.
The auto reinflation kicks in when pressure drops to 57, maintaining safe levels. Great for long carries. The carrying case is a nice touch for transport, but at over 10 pounds total, it's bulky, and the non-removable batteries mean you can't swap in spares mid-job. Some users also reported slower recharge times. Still, having 2 lifters lets you team up for massive panels. This is perfect for you if you frequently move oversized gloss or work with a partner. Skip this one if you need portability or solo operation.
So which one wins? For pros, the SCC S20 Pro offers the best balance of power and reliability. The Prachi is ideal for long shifts, while the WorkBless and Flavocol are great budget picks for occasional use. The Shine Jack shines when you need 2 lifters. Pick based on your job size, frequency, and portability needs, and never lift heavy glass alone again.